to Guys Nightly X.
Pasty Ready X.
Welcome back to another World's 5 Kids Village.
Today guys we're going to do Ashdown Forest. The reason we call it Ashdown because it's your Ashdown Forest and because it keep it down and up. So today guys we're going to do Ashdown Forest walk. And this is our favourite thing. Although it's cold we have content to do it. So let's get started. It's usually Ashdown Forest. I haven't seen this for a while. And it's already the end of the forest. Kind of. This is a rock. I'm going to kick this rock. It's dangerous. It's wet down there, you know?
Yeah, probably. Yeah. Only go slowly because it's wet. It's wet, yeah. So be careful.
And go carefully with the tablets. You could break it like that.
It's not about the tablets, it's about hitting that head.
Yeah, and breaking
If you break the tablet, you don't have it. Well, simple as that. Yeah, it's not the problem.
That was very close, guys.
Wow, that was good, Metro.
I know.
Okay, jump down. Wait. Let me hold the tablet. Wait. Give it and then I'll pause it to you after.
Looks. Wait. Okay.
It's such a small height.
I was a bit worried that I was going to splash on the tablet, but then so
It doesn't
the
splash.
shoe's very wet.
That's a muddy car.
Yeah, disgusting. Guys, I'm just right cold.
The one 4x4.
Right cold.
The other side.
So many things.
Oh, can't wait. Please tell me.
So guys, we'll just see you.
Different.
Just gonna pause it for a minute. Okay, so we are here, back here. So
Can you hear that spat noise, guys?
guys, you shouldn't see anyone else here. So let's pause it for that.
Exactly.
Okay, guys. So we're in the back. So what you should do is,
Guys, just to let you know, Ashdown Forest is the most murkiest thing.
it's already 2 minutes.
Over there.
Some things.
Oh, down here, it's raining. Wait, I think that's a drip from the...
Boys, go. Down in the hill is not heavy.
I've been to Ashdown Forest before though.
The tree. For nice view, you can continue away here after going off the top. Where is the
So guys, this looks bit.
the most highest?
This looks
And it's already 4 or something.
muddy, murky, and
What's the time, Steve?
it's 4:22.
4:22. Okay. 4:22.
Yeah, because SAS
Guys, it's 4:22 already.
special forces.
Ill, disgusting, dung, disgusting.
It's muddy as well.
Yeah.
But you need to be careful, guys, because there's some hills sometimes.
Oh no! I don't like the sound of this, you know.
This path is very large, it's dungy. Ew, another dung! Really, I have enough of these.
Dung. Or you could just say poop.
Why
do they even poo?
Well, poo is a modern word, but dung is an olden word because usually they call it dung. But if it will be dung only if it's dry poo, so.
Only that AF got things gone.
Oh my god, look at this. This is some hilly parts over there.
So this looks very creepy. Just a bit. Let's check that, guys. If you can see it.
Never seen that. Oh
Let's
my
check.
god, look at that.
What in the world is this?
It's a tree roof, but maybe it's been toppled down somewhere. This is so bad.
Just so very far from home. 1 hour away from home.
It's 48 minutes away from home, and we're going more away from home.
We're 50 minutes away from home.
Oh, be careful, there's a twist over there.
Yep. So guys, you can see the twist over there. Up over there. You can
If a
see
car
it.
was here and it toppled there, it'll be stuck.
Oh my god! Guys, look in there. Go closer. Look in there.
And if a car crashed there, wouldn't they be able to move? It would be stuck. Now try to put it up. We need to see the whole landscape.
Living alone, you know.
No, don't zoom it up.
Okay, so it's just 1.0 now. So it's just 5 minutes already. What's the time?
It's 4:25.
4:25. 5 minutes. Yeah, dung.
Done. There's lots of horses riding over here.
Okay.
There's a bridge over here.
Annie now it's relaxing when it's raining. She won't come.
There's a bridge. You need to be careful.
There could be a bit.
More dung.
Or we could just wait. Is it the fruits? Is it the fruits?
Try not to get too dirty.
Yeah. Here is
The most muddiest.
yeah.
It's a wetland.
Imagine where it's living Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah, we look at Winnie the Pooh, huh?
Yeah.
He lives somewhere here.
Donkey, tiger, piglet.
Yeah. Is this the end already? Is this the end already or goes around?
No, it's just
It's just 2 turns. Which turn shall we go?
we need to see it before we go. That path is closed.
Yeah, that was closed. Bid bridleway and path diversion by the order of ESCC.
So you can't go there.
It's a
This path is
bridleway.
closed.
The second day they start.
So we
There's
need
a
to go
path
this way.
diversion.
Yeah.
Bridleway.
So we need to go this way.
Exactly. And the other 10 day when I'm walking, I have the choice.
That means every time there's 2 turns, they'll just say that.
Yeah.
All the rest, everything will go to the.
Because there's only one way, you should get lost. In this forest.
Dog, be careful.
Dog. So guys, we're going to pause it for now. Okay guys, sorry back in.
Oh,
And
that
we are
dog.
very, very close to the pool bridge, you know.
Did he want us to play or something?
Maybe he didn't. He didn't want to, like, us to scare him. I think I was a bit wobbly, that's why he was like, don't, like that. So, more dung around here. Super bad. Okay. More dung everywhere. It's dung.
No.
Oh my gosh. Seriously.
2 weeks and not some 2 weeks.
Oh my god!
There's too many dung
Wait, let
around.
me see what's there.
Oh,
it's a river.
Nice, you know?
Yeah. So it's just a little bit
Guys, there's too many dung around here.
This is the pool
Seriously.
bridge.
Yeah, somewhere.
Yeah, and it's this one. And you can play the game with the stick.
Game audio. Slippery.
It's very muddy because many people will come in.
Okay, we need to go on that bridge now.
Too good.
Two sticks with dirt, you know. Both stick with dirt. Come here.
Playing acoustics. Acoustics
Record it,
bridge. Shall I bring it with us?
Okay.
Acoustics bridge. So, we're going on an expedition, said Pooh. I don't know one of those. Where are... Is it a story?
Yes.
AF, go away.
And if you found 2 stick, the game, you know how is played this game. You come in of this side here, on the bridge, and you left the stick down, and who is the first stick who is passed from here is the winner.
So, history from 1986.
No sticks around. That's the only problem.
Yeah.
Let me look for some.
Ew, more and more. This is super bad. I think we should go home.
There won't be any sticks.
Why should we go home now? We just got
Because it's so muddy around here and our shoes can get dirty in the car.
Yeah. It must be
We just
wet.
got it.
If it just a little bit dirty.
Daddy,
from
we
the
just got it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going for a walk. We're going back. We're gonna go to the hill. Where's the highest hill?
So are we
Where's
going to the
where
hill?
the
We're not
bunker
going
is, and
home.
we go to a restaurant. Maybe for some. Are you hungry, guys?
No. I think when we get home.
Oh my god, Daddy doesn't. Oh no.
Yeah, go home.
No!
You want to see the horse? Go home.
They're so slow.
No, because they go.
I wish I could ride the horse.
This is another horse.
Yeah.
You can go once for horse riding for kids.
No. Definitely not me. I don't want to go on the horse. No.
But you like going horses in Minecraft, so where's the
Hey,
Because
hold this, yes? This is yours. It's not mine. Why am I holding it?
it's because Oliver, because horses can smell bad.
Well, horses don't smell. They just food. But they don't smell. They got a sleep. They got an auto bomb wiping system.
Just don't like their poo on the floor. Where do they go now?
Where do they want them to poo? There's no toilets for horses.
Where are they now?
No, they won't.
And after that, this is do it good for the ground, you know,
Yeah.
for the trees, because this is
the
the
soil.
natural. How is the name of this?
Compost, maybe, no.
Yeah,
Oh.
this is fertilizer. Yeah.
Look, there's more dung over there. What I'm seeing.
Not that dumb.
And it's good for your smell. For your
No,
nostrils.
they didn't go that way.
I think.
They started doing more dumb.
Some natural stuff.
Not good for my nostrils.
Instead of
No, they pooed again.
We've got the problem because we smoke the cigarette, and when you smoke the cigarette, your sense of the taste is completely different.
Hi, Steve.
For this reason, I don't eat salt. You know.
Okay, so
Put salt for feeling.
nice little jacks. It's on the way. Ew, more dung.
In the kitchen.
Or
then
poo,
play
if you
plastic
want to say.
with
So many poo around here, guys. Oh, I nearly stepped on one.
exactly.
I stepped on one. Oh no, no, dog. Dog is coming in the way. Move out the way, move out the way, move out the way.
They're busy running, so it's fine.
But they'll step on dung.
Are they going running?
they don't want to look where they run. That's gonna be fun.
And when you run and when it's muddy,
Oh,
you know.
this is a bit not good for my nostrils. This is not good for me. Not even one single bit good for me. All I have to do, no, not this path again. Gosh. You have to wipe your shoes here. Wipe your shoes. More dung.
Yeah, if I'm going to run, I put it, my body is more critic.
No, we're on mud again, guys.
So are we going to that hill?
Or
Which you?
we must go in on the top.
The bunkers. We're gonna see the bunkers maybe. Bunker.
Why are we not going all the way down there?
You know, here around.
Because there's a dragons cave full of dragons, and they're gonna be getting hungry around 5 o'clock, and it's 25 to 5.
25
So going
to
up
5,
to
yeah?
going up this hill. And then we're just going to go
Oh, you
in
need to
and
be
up.
at work at 6, isn't it?
Yeah, probably mate. We can drink at something the next time if it's no problem for you.
cool. No problem.
Daddy, are we going home?
Well, soon.
I want to go home now.
Now?
Yeah,
I know.
because it's very muddy.
Yeah, it's no.
You don't understand
When it's
nature.
raining.
You don't understand nature.
You
But-
don't understand
But if you
nature.
come in here, the spring, everywhere is green. And it's very, very beautiful.
Very nice.
So we can come here in the spring.
There's no
We'll come here in
raining.
the winter to see how it looks now. We'll come here in 2-3 months.
Yeah, you know, in the only this is the period who we've got lost client, lost customer because it's cold and raining. But it's the same. The people who is coming, you know. The people who is coming here from Japan, mate. Isn't it? Yeah, many Japanese tourists is coming. Many,
Any single lady?
Okay,
probably. Many.
okay, this video only took, let me see, just 60 minutes already. So, should I stop recording?
No, not yet. Until we finish the walk.
3 to 7 days? No.
Oh,
I work when I want. I do the work.
so
Sometimes I take
shameful.
3 or 4 days off. My payment is not changed. Important in the things to go, you know. If you need it, maybe probably I'm for 2 weeks without Saturday. But for now, I think it's okay. When somebody is missing my cover, like today,
Ollie,
the-
shall we create a world out of beacons?
what?
A world out of beacons in Minecraft.
No, thank you.
No, it's gonna be cool.
I don't think it's
A super flat world.
I don't want super flat world.
Super flat world. We're gonna do that.
No.
Yes.
We're gonna do the epic build in that other world.
Ollie. It's okay, it only took 17 minutes now.
So parkour.
There's a teeny weeny bridge.
Go around this part.
And
This is going in the other side. But there is private, all this.
We cannot go over the fence because
Yeah.
someone may see us.
Yeah, this is the same private place, but they give it like donation. Instead of putting
Did when you go there, did some people there shoot you down?
Well, maybe not that bad, maybe not that drastic. I mean, tell you to leave the property or, I don't know, maybe there's cameras or something. You can go there, but it's too muddy as well.
everywhere now. It's not stopped from to rain. No. Monday and Tuesday is holiday. It's coming the summer.
Huh?
It's coming the summer. Yes, you can go in somewhere to relax.
2 weeks of summer in Great Britain maybe. In total.
Crazy.
We went so far. It's easy to go down there though.
Yeah. Hey, every time you see the
Okay.
when you're walking down the street.
Hold it properly.
I am,
No, he's just doing this.
because I'm walking.
Can you see how many minutes it is?
Sunday after work.
19 minutes.
With the bike,
Just walked in 19 minutes. Wow, seriously.
all down without break. Yeah, once you time break,
AF, get off.
the people. When I stop, and they put in what the
Okay, I think we should go home.
with this.
So, it's been a long time
Bro,
since we.
Okay, when we get to the car, guys, it's going to be the end of the video.
I think not. Might be not the end of the video yet.
When we reach it to 22 minutes, then that's the end of the video.
I think that.
There's just 3 minutes left till this video's ended, guys. 20 minutes. Okay guys, it just took 20 minutes already. This video is almost ended.
Oh, this has been a long nature walk.
Okay, we're nearly at the car, guys. He nearly stepped him down. So guys, this video is almost ended.
Very close.
So just 1 minute left.
Oh, not the dog again.
Daddy's that dog again. That dog again.
Yeah, no worries. I've got now one half Jack Russell, half Chihuahua. Is it? In these dimensions, small with heart like lear. You know.
He didn't do anything this time. He was just coming.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, you can smash the subscribe button. I'll see you soon for the next time. Bye!
You might go